November 10th, 2025, Bitcoin daily update. This is the Bitcoin monthly time frame. We got an uptrend going here. Liquidations and would be up here to the all-time high and probably down here as well too. This is the beginning, second week of the month, so we have a bearish candle forming here. So it went all the way down to this point. Let's see if we have a dip in the beginning and then a rip later on for this actually to come back up later in the month. For the weekly view, we have price action going above the 200 MA, so that's bullish. Came down for a little dip after the in the past few weeks. So last week was bearish candle. Let's see if we have a bullish candle in this one or not. Down here could be the lowest it can go, probably. But upside is all the way up there. There's potential up here as well. So overall bullish for the weekly. Go down to the daily. We got under the 200 MA. This is bearish. We have a little turning here. This candle engulfed this last one, so that's a good possible bounce. Let's see if this continues on a daily up here. We have these market drivers coming tentatively for the economic forecast. So we got economic news coming down, but of course we have the government shutdown that may be ending, but we don't know yet. But that will definitely cause some volatility. But also for this week we have something else that will affect this as well that we'll talk about later. So for a daily, a little dip under the 200. Let's see if it rises above it. Hourly. Price action crossing above the 200 MA, so that's definitely a bullish sign. Let's see if we can come down, maybe bounce a little bit for a little tracement, and then come back up. That's a possible move that we have to look for on a weekly. Price action above the 200 MA, so that's pretty good. That's a bullish sign. Now, we're going to have to see the trend view for that. In trend view, we have this action line and this action line. So this action line still is intact. This one seems like it's broken. So I'm just keeping it for a little bit. See if it comes down and bounces and comes back up. That will prove that this action line has been broken. This 1 hour trend line has been broken. We have price action that went above this 200 MA, so that's a bullish sign. So this may be a recovery. Of course, it bounced off down here, and this bounced off of this safety line here, this monthly safety line, which is holding strong. 1, 2, 3 times. Then it bounced up, and it keeps on bouncing up. So this safety line is holding for this moment. These are the economic news that we have coming. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Nothing on Tuesday because Monday, today there's nothing going on Monday. Tuesday there's going to be a holiday, so that will affect volatility. So this all may affect something in later dates, so we'll keep an eye on that. This may be a flat week, maybe evolve to a week just due to the government shutdown or reinstatement. We'll have to see. And that is what we got for that. So we're going to go lastly to liquidations. We have liquidations up here at 107.4. We have liquidations down here at 105.28. So above and beyond. So it may just meander up here and meander down there. We'll have to see how that goes. That is a daily update.